Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the background color and add a shadow border to your Power BI chart. This is a great way to make your visualization stand out and look more polished in your reports. Let's dive right in. First, open your Power BI desktop application. Once it's loaded, navigate to the report page where your chart is located. For this example, let's say you already have a chart created on your canvas. This could be any type of visualization, whether it's a bar chart, line graph, or pie chart. Click on the chart you want to customize. When you select it, you'll notice that the right side panel becomes active with several options. Look for the visualization pane on the right side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to formatting and styling your charts. Under the visualization pane, you'll see a few icons at the top. Click on the format icon, which typically looks like a paint roller. This will open up all the formatting options available for your selected chart. The format options are divided into different sections that control various aspects of your visualization's appearance. Next, click on General to expand the General tab. This section contains fundamental formatting settings that apply to the overall look of your chart. You'll see several subcategories here that control different visual elements. Now click on Effects. This is where you'll find options to add visual enhancements to your chart, including backgrounds and shadows. These effects can really help your chart pop and draw attention to important data. Look for the background option and turn on the toggle button next to it. By enabling this, you're telling Power BI that you want to apply a custom background color to your chart instead of using the default transparent or white background. Then click on the color selector that appears below the background toggle. A color palette will open up, giving you a wide range of colors to choose from. Select a color that complements your report theme or matches your brand guidelines. Once you click your chosen color, you'll immediately see the background of your chart update. Take a moment to see how it looks with your data and overall report design. Now you have a custom background color applied to your chart. But let's take it a step further by adding a shadow border to give it more depth and dimension. To add the shadow border, turn on the toggle button beside Shadow and then click on Shadow to expand its options. This feature creates a subtle shadow effect around your chart, making it appear as if it's floating slightly above the page. Then click on the color selector for the shadow. Just like with the background, you'll see a color palette appear. Choose a color for your shadow. Typically, darker colors like gray or black work best for shadows as they create a more realistic depth effect, but you can choose any color that fits your design aesthetic. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Power BI chart with a background color and shadow border, making your visualization more visually appealing and professional looking. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.